how to stop Roblox crashing. So in order for us to get this done, make sure that you have closed your Roblox, and after doing so, I want you to go ahead and type here run, just like so, and then you're going to go ahead and type this one right here. After doing so, go ahead and hit OK, and then I want you to go ahead and look for the Roblox folder, which is this one right here. I want you to right click and then press the delete button, just like so. Don't worry, it's just cache, so it's not going to affect your Roblox app in any way. But we are still going to do more things. I want you to go ahead and uninstall your Roblox this time. So go ahead and type here add or remove programs. Alright, click enter, and you should be seeing something like this. Go ahead and look for your Roblox. Okay, this one, Roblox player. Just go ahead and uninstall this one right here, and then click the yes button and then continue uninstalling this one. After uninstalling your Roblox, I want you to go ahead and select a game here and just basically open any game in order for it to prompt to install or download the app once again. So just go ahead and type this green button right here, and then you should be able to see here an option to download and install your Roblox. And yep, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. After doing this, your problem should be fixed.